Hey, what's up everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, back with another super duper easy install video for you guys on this CCS carbon fiber X brace. This thing is sick, it looks awesome. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, the first step is pretty simple. We're just removing 2 bolts out of each bar. So the first one is going to be this back one here closest to your window, and the other one is going to be this one here on the back side. So using our T40 Torx bit, we are going to remove those. And repeat the process over on the other side. Next up, we will open up our hardware kit and grab the 4 white rubber spacers. We will grab the 2 bigger ones and put those on these holes closest to your rear window. And the 2 small ones that remain go here on the back. Next up, we can grab our X brace and set it down on those spacers. All right, so now we will grab all 4 of the remaining bolts and the washers, install the washers on all 4 of the bolts, and get them installed. Now, there are 2 different sized bolts. 2 are longer and 2 are smaller. The longer ones will go here in the back with the big spacers closest to the window, and the smaller bolts will go here in the back closest to the trunk. So get those installed, start them hand tight, and then we can get them tightened down. And last but not least, we grab our 13mm socket and tighten these bad boys down, all 4 of them. Remember, you're not torquing these down to anything crazy, just tighten them to where they are snug. And there you have it. We are all done installing this carbon fiber X brace from CCS. Now you are ready to get out on the road and enjoy your X brace. This is sure to spark a conversation at your local Cars and Coffee. Hope this video was useful. If it was, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.